This is a huge deal in the perception of how traders look, if China wants U.S. Treasuries or not. How do we get to the bottom of it? What exactly happened?
Well, today, the State Administration of Foreign Exchange, known as SAFE, they're an arm of the central bank here in China. They put out a very carefully worded statement where they really fell short of a denial of our story, a full and complete denial. They suggested that it might have been based on wrong sources and that it may be fake news. Now, this is a term that's quite often bandied about in the Chinese state media and has been used by Chinese government spokespeople. They went on to say that they pursue a policy of diversification when it comes to investing the foreign reserves and that they always look to market conditions when it comes to US Treasuries.
But this, Emma, doesn't seem like an outright denial. Are they denying the sources, or are they denying that someone told them? They're not necessarily denying that they're diversifying, or am I getting it wrong?
Yeah, they're just saying that it may be based on wrong sources, but they never came out and said this is incorrect, this is not happening. It's important to note that our story was based on a people familiar, as you said, people familiar with the officials that are involved in investing China's foreign currency reserves. They recommended that China should halt or slow purchases of treasuries. So not sell the current holdings that they have, but to halt or slow. And it was just a recommendation. So there was no suggestion that this was happening or that this had even been endorsed by China itself.